Everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake chocolate lasagna. Okay, for this recipe you are going to need 36 regular Oreos. So that is an entire batch. You won't have any to eat for yourself, so if you want to get a family size one so you can eat a couple, that's fine too. And you just want to go ahead and put those in a Ziploc bag and beat them with a rolling pin until little crumbs remain. They don't have to be super small, but you just want to beat them until they're crushed. Then we need 6 tablespoons of butter melted, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, so that's, one whole package, 1/4 cup sugar, which I do not have out yet, 2 tablespoons of cold milk, 12 ounces of Cool Whip, 2 boxes of the chocolate instant pudding. You need 2 of those, so it's 7.8 ounces total. Then you need 3½ cups of cold milk, which I don't have out, and then 1 cup of the mini chocolate chips. Okay, so first you want to take a 9x13 baking dish and just butter the sides and the bottom very well and set it to the side. Okay, so next you want to go ahead and melt your butter, and then if you haven't done so already, go ahead and crush your Oreos. Okay, now you can go ahead and add your Oreo crumbs to this and just mix it well. Okay, after that is well combined, you want to just go ahead and dump it into your baking dish and press it down along all of the edges on the side. Not up the sides, just on the bottom. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and put that in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Okay, so next you want to whip your cream cheese until it is fluffy. Mine was just out of the refrigerator, so I did stick it in the microwave for about 20 seconds to soften it up. Okay, that looks good. Next you want to go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of milk and your 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, now we are going to mix that all together until combined. Alright, next we are going to stir in 1 cup of our whipped topping and just go ahead and mix that until it's well combined with everything else, and then spread it over our crust. Make sure to do it easily because you don't want to mess up your crust. Be sure that you scrape down your sides too. You just want to make sure that's all well combined before you spread it over the crust. Okay, just make sure that is nice and even, and we are going to stick it back in the fridge for another 5 minutes. Okay, so next we are going to take our 2 boxes of the instant chocolate pudding, and we are going to combine that with 3 1/4 cup of cold milk and just whisk that until it is nice and thick. Okay, that looks good and thick, so next we are going to go ahead and pour that over our cream cheese whipped cream layer and go ahead and stick it back into the fridge for 10 minutes so the pudding can set up. Okay, that looks great. I'm going to stick it back in the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, our pudding looks set up, so next we are going to put the rest of our whipped cream over top and then sprinkle it with our 1 cup of the mini chocolate chips. Okay, I sprinkled my chocolate chips over top, and now we're going to stick it back in the refrigerator. This time it needs to be 3 to 4 hours before serving it. Okay, since it is going into the refrigerator for such a long time, I did go ahead and put some plastic wrap over top of it, just to keep anything from, getting in it while it's in the fridge for that long. So let's go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator. Okay, this has been in there for 3 hours, so we're going to go ahead and cut some and have a little taste. Okay, I cut a little piece for taste tester, and you can see all the layers in there. So let's see what he thinks. He did just wake up. Taste tester, have a little taste.
Yum.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.